Mix the yeast with the warm milk. In a bowl, combine half of the slivered almonds, half of the chopped walnuts, the figs, raisins, golden raisins, ground cinnamon, the chopped apple, and the white port wine. Mix very well. In a large bowl, add the flour and make a well in the center. Pour in the yeast mixture, the melted butter, the eggs, the sugar, and a pinch of salt. Knead until the dough starts pulling away from the sides of the bowl. You may use a stand mixer or food processor if you prefer. Once the dough pulls away, shape it into a ball and dust it lightly with flour. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place for about 2 hours, or until doubled in size. After the dough has risen, add the lemon zest to the fruit mixture and mix well. Dust the countertop with a little flour and place the dough on it. Dust again and roll it out into a rectangle using a rolling pin. Spread the fruit mixture evenly over the dough. Roll the dough up into a log and pinch the ends together to form a crown or ring shape. Place it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Cover with a cloth and let it rise again in a warm place for about 40 minutes. Once risen, arrange the apple slices over the top of the crown. Add spoonfuls of Gourd jam, doce de chila, around it. Along with the remaining slivered almonds and the remaining chopped walnuts. Bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. When cooked, remove from the oven and brush the cake with warm jam. One and a half chopped apples, 70 grams of quartered dried figs, 30 grams of raisins, 30 grams of golden raisins, sultanas, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 80 milliliters of white port wine, 150 milliliters of warm milk, 9.2 grams of instant dry yeast, 600 grams of all-purpose flour, 150 grams of sugar, 125 grams of melted butter, 3 eggs, zest of 1 lemon, a pinch of salt, 50 grams of chopped walnuts, 50 grams of slivered almonds, 4 tablespoons gourd jam, doce de chila, 1 1/2 sliced apples, jam for brushing, flour for dusting,